How to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to export video from CapCut to gallery. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch CapCut application on your device and make sure that you log in or sign in to your CapCut. Open a particular CapCut project or video which you want to export to your gallery. Make sure that you are done with editing your video. Once you are fully done with the particular video, you can select the export icon at top right corner. So let's select that. So in order to export in your CapCut, you have to watch some ads. If you don't want to go through the ads, you can buy the premium version of CapCut and then directly export. So make sure you do not close CapCut or lock your screen as it is being exported to your gallery. So it will merely take 5 to 6 minutes, so you need to wait. So now video has already been exported to your gallery. You can easily access your gallery and then view it. You can even share to TikTok or other social media platform. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.